I wanna show you how to add the transition effect in Premiere Pro, let's go! I have already edited some clips to my timeline that are each 1 second, and I want to add some slight transition to them. First of all, click on the second clip, move your timeline to the end of it, and delete 5 frames. Following, select the third clip, move your timeline to the end of it, and remove 10 frames. Then, go to the fourth clip, again put your timeline to the end of it, and remove 15 frames. For the next clips, you have to remove all the time 15 frames. Perfect. Put your all clips together. Then go to the effects and write transform. Add the transform effect to your first clip. Under the transform, click on the position and scale. The first stopwatch icon will appear. Change the value of the scale to 120. Following, move 4 frames ahead and click on the keyframe of position and scale. Again, move 2 frames ahead and just add the keyframe for the scale. Change the value from 120 to 100 and using the X position, drag the video till the moment that video will disappear. Now we are going to add some motion blur. To do that, just uncheck the use compositions. Change the shutter angle to 360. And the last thing that you need to do is to smooth the animation. Just select all keyframes, right click of the mouse, temporal interpretation, Bizarre. If you wanna add this effect to all clips, right click on the mouse on the transition, copy, then you select all clips and just press Ctrl V. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.